Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. Now this is my favorite retro corner with my Amiga 4000, with my amplifier and big speakers, big screen. I love everything big and max everything out. I just love that. So this Amiga 4000 is a great computer, but today we're gonna upgrade it just a tad. We're gonna pump it up because on my Amiga 2000, I have an Amiga 2000 that runs with a card like this, with the multi-scan 2000 with a VGA connection. But look at this, guys. I got this Scandoubler for the Amiga 4000. It's brand new, all stuck. And we're gonna install it today. I mean, it still has that sticker on you can peel off. Nice. The card here. Oh, a driver disc. Don't know what that's for, but yeah, it's there. And we got the Scandoubler here, guys, for the Amiga 4000. That's great. Take a closer look. There we can see it's called arXon Frankfurt Scandoubler version 1.1. A brand new Scandoubler, guys, new old stock. That's great. So let's just put that one in and see how it performs. We got a menu. Yeah, it's from the company in German. Alright guys, let's open this Amiga 4000 and install. Oh, I just love this. Installed the card. I just want to show this in German. It says it's for the Amiga 4000 VGA connector, and I can see it's got it explains something with timing and all that, with some jumpers. I haven't taken a look, but I will take a look at it. As you can see, 49 kilohertz, 800 by 600, 31 kilohertz, double PAL. Yeah, some German stuff, if you understand it. There you go. All right, I just installed this one. Let's see about the jumpers. Oh, we got the jumpers here. I will just try it out. It said something about 1 and 2. I don't know if I should. No, I won't do nothing. I just installed it, but I think there's something wrong with my Amiga 4000, but because as you can see, there's a gap here. I can't screw it. I can't put a screw in it because then I will push my daughter board back and all that. I don't like this, but let's give it some power and see what's gonna happen. Now I just installed it to a, what's it called? A widescreen monitor, and let's see if it works. I have no idea, and the jumper is just on off. So yeah, and I don't like this, that I can't screw it in proper way. I don't know if I have. I mean, this screw, I can't change the position of this one. I don't know, maybe this metal thing is too long, or yeah, I don't like that. Guys, we got a picture. It works. And look at the aspect ratio, 4:3, just like how it should be. I love this. Alright guys, I just want to show you this little upgrade on my Amiga 4000. So we got a Scandoubler now, and we can run normal VGA, because usually I ran this one with a normal Philips 27-inch TV from RGB to SCART, but I want to have a VGA monitor because of the dots and all that. The quality is just better this way. So that's just great. I want to say, as usual, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for your time. I wish you all a great day. RETROCENGO out.